Tired of pop-up ads hijacking your Android experience? Let's reclaim your screen. Today, we're diving into how to banish those intrusive pop-up ads that plague your Android device. It's easier than you think to get back to a clean, uninterrupted browsing experience. First, let's tackle those browser-specific pop-ups. Open your preferred browser. We'll use Chrome as an example. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. Inside Settings, look for Site Settings now, find and tap on pop-ups and redirects. Make sure this toggle is switched to the blocked position. This is your first line of defense against many unwanted ads. While you're in Site Settings, scroll down a bit further and you should also see an option for ads. Ensure this is also set to blocked to prevent intrusive ad experiences on websites. For a more comprehensive solution, consider using an ad blocking app. Head to the Google Play Store and search for reputable ad blockers. Popular choices often include features like system-wide ad blocking and DNS filtering. Once installed, follow the app's instructions to activate its protection. Some apps might require you to set up a VPN connection or apply specific network settings. These are all normal steps to ensure ad blocking works effectively. Now, let's hunt down any rogue apps that might be causing these pop-ups. Go to your main Android settings, then find Apps or Application Manager. Scroll through your list of installed applications. Look for anything you don't recognize, or apps that were downloaded around the time the pop-up started appearing. If you find a suspicious app, tap on it and select Uninstall. Be careful not to uninstall essential system apps. If you're unsure about an app, it's best to research its name online before deleting it. This step is crucial for removing adware that might be forcing ads onto your screen. And there you have it. By adjusting your browser, installing an ad blocker, and checking for suspicious apps, you can significantly reduce or even eliminate pop-up ads. Enjoy a cleaner, smoother, and more secure Android experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips.